Well, the badgers have struck again. They've got through into the sweetcorn cage and demolished it. And I thought I had it pretty well secured, but there's obviously been pulling things here, so they've got in through here. Even though I had these pegs in, they managed to get through and pushed it and got through there. Yeah, I meant to do something about this bit, but once the slugs ate the silks, I wasn't expecting much from the sweetcorn, so I didn't get around to doing it. What they've eaten is basically small pieces and not even ripe sweetcorn. They were only like 15-20 centimeters long, not very thick, so there couldn't have been much on it, but they're obviously very hungry because they're going through the chippings and going around, digging around in the sweetcorn as well. Oh yeah, that's not good. Something had got to that one anyway. There was a few sweetcorn, I thought I might get something out of it. Hello, it's another day of the usual routine of watering and weeding and harvesting a little bit. But the badgers have been at it again. They've been digging, and look what they've done. Another plant has bitten the dust, but so far these others have survived. But if I start doing this and you know the plants to just die off, and these should be about a football size. You can see I doubt we'll get many, if any. They're too small now. I think they're not going to make it. This solitary Good King Henry that survived the slug attacks put out a few leaves and it's gone to seed, so I'm not going to bother with it because I'm not going to save these seeds. Obviously, if it has a tendency to go to seed early, I'm not going to save seeds from that. And I've tried some of the leaves and I wasn't particularly impressed by it. Suppose it might be alright when it's cooked, but fresh, no, I was not impressed by it. The salad burnet is doing great. These chives doing alright. I brought those others in to plant them into bigger pots, and I didn't get around to it. So you can see those are small ones. They were all sown at the same time. That stayed in the small pots, and these have been put into the big pots. Badgers have been in, and I came in. These were on the ground over here because they'd gone in and dug in and knocked things about. And this tub of celeriac has gone to seed as well. Everything's confused this year, everything's confused. So this has gone to seed as well. So I'll not get many celeriac this year. We had some storms and I've just noticed that this window has come off the greenhouse there. So that needs sorting. God, if it's not one thing, it's another, isn't it? Between the weather and the pests, I give up. You need the patience of a saint to keep an allotment because it's just never ending. You fix one thing, something else breaks or dies or gets eaten. It's been a bad year. I said it's going to be a bad year, but I didn't expect it to be this bad.